Hello friends, welcome back to Lumion 12.5 tutorial, and in this today tutorial I am going to teach you about the glass in Lumion, how to create glass materials and reflections and other features of the glass. So you can see this example, and if I am going to my material here, and you can select by using different category of the glass. I will show you how to select glass from various categories. So I'm going to first select this glass material here, and you can see this is the glass gray, and it is pure glass features in your material library. So if you click on material library, you can see this pure glass feature here, and you can use this advanced glass feature, and you can also use this simple glass material here. So if I'm going to my pure glass, you can select the colorization. If you want to change the color here, you can change the color of the glass, and you can increase or decrease the reflectivity according to your projects and scenes. So you can increase and decrease, and you can also adjust with the internal reflections. So you can also adjust with the transparency. You can see if you want less transparency, you can also make, and you can adjust your scenes based on your transparency. And you can also do this double-sided glass here, and you can adjust this also, and you can also increase or decrease the glossiness of your glass material. So this is very good feature, pure glass in Lumion 12.5 and other version of the Lumion. You can see this, you can increase or decrease the frostiness, you can create textures of the glass, and you can also adjust with your glass relief material, and you can also adjust with the map scale of your glass, and you can force rain sticks also. You can use for your rain sticks glass material here, and you can increase or decrease reflectivity, and you can play with colors. So this is the pure glass, and if you want some other material here of the glass, you can go to this glass feature here, just beside of advanced glass. You can select this, and you can also increase or decrease reflectivity based on this transparency from here. Textures influence, if you want to give this textures influence, you can use this, and you can also use this double-sided features. Glossiness also you can increase or decrease from here, and brightness also you can adjust from here. You can change the color from here also. So this is the simple glass material, and I will tell you another. You can go to indoor, and you can adjust these glass features here. There are various glass colors here and materials. You can use interior volume glass 3, you can use milky glass, you can use rough glass, you can use deco glass, and so on. And you can see various colors of the glass you can use in your scene. So I will double click here, and you can adjust the same features reflectivity from here also. So these are the important features of the glass material in the Lumion 12.5. You can adjust the frostiness and relief from here, and you can also go to outdoor, and you can select this glass here, and you can do the same things from outdoor also. So you can use this architectural glass 4, and so on. So this is very easy and interesting feature in Lumion 12.5 and other versions. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.